wow, some of the biggest pumps in world history this week. Did you get in on the action of the big stock market pump? And some billionaires are going all in on this. Their words, not mine. Are you getting in on this? And who could have predicted this? I'm talking about the most famous hedge fund billionaire managers like David Tepper are saying they're buying everything going all in on anything that is China related. Why this craze? That's because China has just went through the biggest jump in a single week since like 2008 financial crisis. Look at that stock chart, right? That doesn't even look like a stock chart. That almost like a crypto chart. But who could have predicted this, eh? And you remember that Pablo was the one telling everyone that now is the historical bottom in Chinese stock market. And I've been saying that since February. And I told everyone May once again, and I told people the stocks that I'm getting into, whether they're electric vehicles or AI stocks in China, it's gonna pump. So here was Pablo again making fun of all the shorts and all the pessimists on China, saying China is collapsing upwards, right? This week, right, which is early May, is gonna be likely the historical bottom on China stocks. And also, once again, this is in February, making fun of The Economist, these so-called, magazines, financial reporting that got it completely wrong, saying nightmarish conditions in China, right, in the year of the dragon. What I said was, I think in 2024, China and Hong Kong stocks are going to bottom and turn bull, whilst NASDAQ makes its historical blow off top and turn bear, right? I've been calling this bullish bottom, historical bottom, for a long time coming now. So what has caused this major crazy historical pump in the China stocks? Well, I've been telling my Discord for the longest time now that basically China is holding off on cutting interest rates until they see America cut first. Because all the big money in the world, all the billions and trillionaires, right, they're going to put their money into US to earn those US dollar yields, high yields, 5%, 5.5% just last week, right? And then the Fed cut those rates. Once the Fed cuts, then that money flows to other countries like Japan or China because the yield isn't as high in the United States US dollar anymore, right? And this has always been the case. So China was basically just waiting for the US to cut first. Then China cut right away, right? 2 or 3 working days later. And now we have this historical pump. Have you missed the boat on this China pump though? No, I'm saying this is only the historical bottom. If for long-term investors, this is just the beginning of what they call Made in China 2025. They have this plan to create and make some of the best high-quality products in the world, like EVs and AI and solar panels, right? I'm in China right now, but the media won't show you places as good as this.